Alright, good morning everyone. So today is Monday, marks the beginning of another trading week. So let's do some pre-market analysis before we get the week started. So the first pair on the list is NAS100, and on NAS100 we are starting from the monthly time frame. I have my monthly upper zone here, midway zone here, a monthly midway zone here, a monthly lower zone here. So from the monthly time frame, I'm looking at a bullish market on NAS100. The market has been bullish for a very long time. It's just creating a series of higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low, high, low. We are seeing the new high coming in before the low, then the move continues in that cycle. So as we go through the lower time frame, we are going to be looking for buying opportunity on NAS100. So let's go. So let's go to the weekly. Alright. So here we are on the weekly time frame. I have my weekly upper zone here, my weekly lower zone here. So from the weekly time frame, you see price is moving to the upside as expected, and it's currently at a resistance. So let's go to the daily time frame. So here on the daily time frame, I have my daily upper zone here, my daily lower zone here. And from the daily time frame, you see that price is moving to the upside and it's currently at a resistance. Price is currently at a resistance. So after price took out this new high, came for the low, went for the high, you see price is just consolidating in this cycle. Price is just consolidating in this cycle. So let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour and see if we can get a good look at what's happening here. Okay, nice one, nice one. So on the 4 hour time frame, I have my 4 hour upper zone here, midway zone here, and my 4 hour lower zone here. So from the 4 hour time frame, you see that price is still moving to the upside, but the consolidation we saw on the daily time frame is what you are seeing over here. It's what you are seeing over here. So since price has broken out of this 4 hour midway zone, you should be expecting a retest before the move happens to the upside. So on NAS100, we are going to be waiting for price to come back for a retest. After the retest happens, we get our candle confirmation, then we buy all the way to the upside on NAS100. Buy all the way to the upside on NAS100. So that's it on NAS100. Okay, so let's move on to the next pair, which will be USD CAD. Okay, so on USD CAD, yeah, I'm looking for selling opportunity. I'm looking for selling opportunity. And last week or last 2 weeks, we took a sell which we closed last week Friday, which was NFP. We closed all our positions last week but the sell we took was very massive. We got a lot of pays from all the trades we took last week, except a couple of losses, but it was still great. So on USD card, I'm looking for selling opportunities. So let's start from the monthly time frame and find out why I am selling on USD card. Why I am selling on USD card. Okay, so from the monthly time frame on USD card, I have a monthly upper zone here, midway zone here, another midway zone, then my monthly lower zone here. And from the monthly time frame, you see price is currently moving to the downside. Previously, price was moving to the upside. Price was moving to the upside like this. Then after the retest, it failed to go up and rather broke it to the downside. You could see a retest that has come through, and the rejection is expected to go to the downside. So that is why I am selling. That is why I am selling USD card. So from the monthly time frame on USD card, price has changed structure. So since price has changed structure, we are going to be expecting selling opportunities on USD card. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, so here we are on the weekly time frame on USD card. So on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly lower midway zone here, my weekly midway zone here, my weekly midway zone here. So on the weekly time frame, like I said, on the monthly, price is moving to the downside. So a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low high. We are expecting a new low. So that's all we are just trying to do is catch the move for the creation of the new low. That's all we are what we want to do. So let's go to the daily time frame on USD card. So on the daily time frame, I have my daily midway zone here. And if you watch closely on the daily time frame, price is okay. This is not price was trying to change structure, showing buying pressure coming in from here. But if you watch here closely, we are looking at a head and shoulders pattern formation over here. This is the two shoulders and the head is here and the bottom is here. So you can be expecting magic sell from here all the way to the downside on USD card So let's see how the market will do that, but we are still looking for sales on USD card. So let's go to the 4 hour, and yeah, so here on the 4 hour time frame, I have my 4 hour midway zone here. So you see price broke to the higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and equal high. So we are expecting a kind of confirmation over here and a massive drop to the downside. Let me zoom in and explain something to you guys. The reason why price came back for the retest is the reason why price came back for the retest and couldn't continue going to the downside is because of this candle formation. Let me draw it closer so that you can all see this candle formation over here. This is what we call an inside bar. This is an inside bar candle pattern. So, like I taught my students, I'm going to teach you also. Whenever price the market comes to a particular strong zone, whether support or resistance, and price wants to change structure or go to the downside or to the upside, and it doesn't give like a formation of like a morning star, a bullish engulfing or a bearish engulfing, an evening star, a pin bar, shooting star, or any of those patterns, and it gives like inside bar, especially that inside bar, you should know that that move will not be that strong. The inside bar, it's a change of direction, but it's not that strong compared to the bullish engulfing, the bearish engulfing, the morning star, and the rest. So whenever I see a formation of an inside bar at a support or a resistance, a valid zone, what I do is I wait, because I know that definitely price will come back to that particular zone again. And when it comes back at this time around and it gives that bullish engulfing or that bearish engulfing, that morning star, that evening star, that pin bar, that shooting star, any of those patterns, when it after it gives it, the move, like how the market will be moving, it's mad. Like the market after that, the market moves crazy. So I'm not sure you want to miss this move. And we have about 2 hours 41 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close, and it's showing uh closing bearish already. So if it closes bearish, forms a bullish engulfing like what I'm seeing right now, then I'll sell USD CAD. But for now, let's wait and see how it will close. So on USD CAD, price is currently at our retest zone. So what we are waiting for is a candle confirmation, then we sell on USD CAD. So that's it. Let's move on to the next pair, which is GBP CHF. Okay, so previously I did an analysis on GBP CHF. We wanted to buy from here, but I think when price got to the zone, we still haven't bought it because we are not getting the confirmation, candle confirmation, but price is still consolidating at our zone. So if you want to see how I did this analysis, just go scroll back, I think last week or last 2 weeks or last month, I can't really remember at the time, but when you scroll through is GBP CHF, you find it. The latest analysis you see on GBP CHF is this one. So I'm going to skip this and move on to the last pair, which is AUDUSD. AUDUSD. So on AUDUSD, I'm going to start from the monthly time frame. I'm going to start from the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly upper zone here, my monthly lower zone here. So on the monthly time frame, you see price is moving to the upside, because anytime price comes to this zone, you see the buying pressure coming in. So price got to that zone again, the buying pressure came in and it's pushing price to the upside. So what you are going to do is you are going to be looking for buying opportunity all the way to the upside on AUDUSD. So let's go to the weekly time frame. All right, so here on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly upper zone here, my weekly midway zone here. So on the weekly time frame, Like I said, on the monthly, price is moving to the upside, and it's exactly what you are seeing here. And I've already explained everything on the monthly, so let's just move on to the daily time frame on AUDUSD. So on the daily time frame, I have my daily upper zone here, midway zone here, and my daily lower zone here. So from the daily time frame, you could all see price is definitely moving to the upside. Price is definitely, but currently price is consolidating on AUDUSD because we have equal highs here and equal lows here. Anytime price taps into this zone, you see the buying pressure coming in, and anytime price taps into this zone, you see the selling pressure coming in, and it has continued for a while now. So you see that AUDUSD is currently consolidating on the daily time frame. So the question is, should we wait for price to break out of the zone before we buy, or we can buy now? And the answer is we can buy now. We can buy now because of this high which has been broken, and the last week's candle showed strong buying pressure which closed above all these highs. So it's showing that no matter what, price is ready to go to the upside and break out of this resistance. So that's why we are going to buy. So here on the 4-hour time frame, I have my 4-hour midway zone here, my 4-hour midway zone here. So on the 4-hour, you could see that price is currently in our 4-hour midway zone. Price is currently in our 4-hour mid, and it's also a retest: higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So we are expecting a new higher high, a new higher low, and a new higher high. Then we exit the trade. So since price is currently at our zone, we have about 2 hours 35 minutes for this candle to close, and if it closes bullish forming a morning star, then we can buy AUDUSD all the way to the upside. So if you are not in the signal channel, the signal group has now been moved to WhatsApp, so the link will be in the description. If you are not in the signal group, just click on the group link and then you join. And also the free forex trading class, the beginners course, which we were hosting on 8 is today. We are starting today 8 p.m. Ghana time. So if you also want to join, the link will be in the description. Just click on it and join straight ahead before 8 p.m. today. Before 8 p.m. today, because this is a WhatsApp group. When you join late, when whatever we've taught, you won't be able to learn or go through it. So if you want to join, you can join today. And also the signal group you should join, so that whenever any of these setups are ready, or more setups that I see after this recording, I will drop all of them in the group for everyone to take. So if you are not in the signal group, I know previously we were on Telegram, but our Telegram account got frozen and it hasn't been unfrozen yet. So I also don't want my people to stay hungry because the account got frozen. So that's why I'm moving to WhatsApp. Then we can be doing it there over for the meantime until the account gets unfrozen. So that will be it on today's pre-market analysis, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.